What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing 2020 Mercedes-Benz C63 S, and it's coming in for Llumar's all new black paint protection film. So today we'll be wrapping this C63 S. It's coming in because, as you can see, it has a little bit of black already here on the roof, and then it has this white piece that he wants to completely black out. I gave him the option of using our brand new paint protection film from Llumar, which is a black gloss. It's gonna give him that change of color that he wants, and at the same time protect his hood and roof that we're doing. So yeah, this is pretty much gonna go very well with the rest of the accents of black that it has already. Like, it has it here on the top roof pillar. So I already pretty much laid out the piece of film that we'll be using. So it's a thick 8mm film thickness. It is almost like black paint, but it does include the beneficial properties of paint protection film, which is preventing rock chips, preventing stains from happening and all that stuff. And it gives it that nice look. So I got my piece here. The guys already washed it and prepped it. And now the car is ready for us to go ahead and get started on it. So I got the big piece here. I'm gonna get one of my guys to help me out, and we're gonna lay it down. And can't wait for you guys to see the final results. So as you guys can see, it's the same process as traditional paint protection film. We are using our slip solution, so water and baby shampoo. And we're just gonna, like, you know, play around with the film and stretch it to where we want it, and then lay it down with our squeegee. Putting more slip solution. So the customer also wants us to extend the black to, like, the top nose area here of the bumper, and we're gonna see how that looks. I mean, it looks like a great idea. He said he saw it on a Maybach, so he wants to try it out on his Benz. So I'm doing some custom install here for him. Hopefully it turns out for the best. And then the hood is already done, so we're just waiting for it to dry up, and then we'll start tucking in the edges. Then we'll move right along to the top roof. So yeah, this is like a little custom piece that he wanted done. The hood is already done. We're just waiting for the edges to dry up, and while that's happening, we're gonna move right along to the roof area, that little small roof area that he wants also wrapped. We're gonna do that next. We just finished wrapping this C63 S, and it came in again for Llumar black paint protection film, super glossy. It looks just like paint. And just to recap, we did the full hood, the roof, and we also extended this. The client had a very interesting idea of putting it on here, and I think it actually delivers. It looks really, really nice. Almost has that, some of the Maybach have this installed, and I think it looks pretty nice on this Mercedes-Benz as well. Hope you guys like it. I think it's a cool new feature, so you guys could modify your car and make it more personalized, add more personalized touches to it. So with the black paint protection film, you're getting more thickness instead of like more thinner with vinyl. Vinyl, you're only getting about 2 or 3 mil. This is 8mm thickness. So you are getting that paint protection film protection with a change of look. So if this kind of stuff interests you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can find us on Google Maps. We're high in detail here in Miami, Florida. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.